AMP as of now exchanges close $0. The AMA essentially is right now at $0 in especially enormous manner. AMP sort of countenances medium-term obstruction at $0, which truly is very critical. AMP keeps descending development today in an unpretentious way. The 4th of April 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and basically attempt to answer these much of the time commonly clarified some things. What is truly momentary cost expectation for AMP? In every way that really matters, is AMP a for the most part wise interest in an unobtrusive manner? AMP support and opposition levels and so on, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Yet, prior to plunging certainly profound into the AMP specialized investigation, really let us basically discuss the truly current economic situation, showing that AMP for the most part faces medium-term opposition at $0, which generally is genuinely critical. Market examination over the last 24 hours. There in every practical sense was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the fundamentally whole digital money market to $182,407,897,617. Sort of additional appearance how yet prior to jumping especially profound into the AMP specialized examination. By and large let us really discuss the essentially current economic situations, showing that AMP in a real sense faces medium-term obstruction at $0 in exceptionally huge manner. The all-out exchanging volume by and large stands at $52,294,939,930. Kind of additional appearance how AMP basically faces medium-term opposition at $0, a genuinely enormous manner. Bitcoin shares 45.86% of the entry market while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $28,030.66 level after a decay of 0.12% in a sort of large manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 3.5% coming to $1,860.70 during the past 24 hours, showing the AMP record sort of descending development today, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $311.03, following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time span, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP basically is somewhere near 2.13 and right now exchanging at 50 cents. Showing how yet prior to plunging commonly profound into the AMP specialized examination sort of allowed us by and large to discuss the sort of current economic situations, exhibiting that AMP fundamentally faces medium-term opposition at $0 for the most part enormous manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which generally is genuinely critical. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market by and large is going in a really descending heading for extremely present moment, showing how AMP right now exchanges close $0. The AMA basically is as of now at $0 in unpretentious manner. Right now, an especially broad quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they basically thought. AMP backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to really distinguish kind of key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, so the in every way that really matters. All-out exchanging volume generally remains at $52,294,939,930, especially further appearance how AMP in every way that really matters faces medium-term opposition at $0 a genuinely large manner. Support basically is a level at which purchasers explicitly become certainly something else in every practical sense. Dynamic and in every practical sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how yet prior to plunging genuinely profound into the AMP specialized examination. In a real sense let us basically discuss the sort of current economic situation, showing that AMP sort of countenances medium-term opposition at $0, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition most certainly is a level at which dealers basically become move kind of dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which certainly shows what especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $28,030.66 level after a decay of 0.12%, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Following especially are the help and obstruction levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP for the most part is at $0, down 2.27% in the kind of beyond 24 hours and really has a value change of 0.26% throughout the week, which essentially shows that AMP keeps especially descending development today in a sort of huge manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC is 5,028,737.00 US dollars, while really all-out market cap came to $206,066,187 USD, which explicitly shows that furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. There by and large are practically 42,227,702,186 in a real sense are available for use out of 99,213,400,535. Most certainly further appearance how there for the most part are practically 42,227,702,186 truly are available for use out of 99,213,408,535 in an essentially huge manner. AMP Value Examination AMP Cost Investigation for the 4th of April 2023 inside a day-to-day time span basically made sense of underneath, exhibiting how market examination over the absolute last 24 hours. There in a real sense was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital money market to $1,182,407,897,617. Fundamentally further appearance how yet prior to jumping extremely profound into the AMP specialized investigation, basically let us really discuss the especially current economic situations, showing that AMP especially faces medium-term opposition at $0 in unpretentious manner. We utilize exceptionally relative strength index, moving normal combination and difference, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including in every practical sense, straightforward moving truly normal and remarkable moving truly normal to examine the future development of the AMP in a significant manner in a real sense. While AMP's Williams %R marker truly is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span showing an unbiased condition. A exchange signal most certainly is in every practical sense conceivable at this reach, which especially is very critical. The MACD line fundamentally is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid, or so they truly thought. AMP financial backers need to especially hang tight for any directional change over the everyday diagram, showing how the MACD line basically is remaining beneath of the genuinely signal line after a hybrid, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. The principal support level for AMP really is at $0 in every practical sense. Second one basically is at $0, which especially shows that the main help level for AMP fundamentally is at $0. The genuinely second one essentially is at $0, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. While taking about obstruction, the AMP explicitly has R1 and R2 at $0. So AMP keeps commonly descending development today in an especially significant manner. RSI suggesting combination stage while exchanging at 45 and sort of is attempting to especially break out of the nonpartisanship zone, showing that while distributing this block, ENB exchanged at $311.03, following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time span in an unpretentious manner. EN's AMP for the most part is currently encountering a critical negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to sort of suggest that the digital money in a real sense is in an unstable circumstance that can't generally be redressed, showing the way in which AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition all things considered are significant specialized markers used to basically recognize in every way that really matters. Key cost